We just checked in this amazing Airbnb. This is the kitchen, lounge area. Love those colors. This is the bedroom. They even put flowers, hibiscus flowers on the bed. And there's basically everything we need. Toilets, of course, a shower room. And later we can check out the swimming pool and the barbecue area.
All right, and what's the cost of the test at your clinic? Okay. And how long does it take to get the results? Mm-hmm. And by email, right? All right. What's the difference between your clinic and, for example, the public hospital in Royal, Anse Royal? Because we stay at Anse Royal, so I just want to know.
Yeah, you can go to the one at Eden Island because it's clean, it's nice, it's done quickly, and you're guaranteed to get your results.
That's the closest one.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good to know. Thank you for registration. I got the email. Begin using your account. So I will just walk in unless I can make an appointment directly through your website. And you say I can make the appointment through the website, so I will try. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.
And we are here to get Nico's PCR test.
Je pars à Singapour. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Cross the little bridge, turn right, far and left.
Okay. I need to book. She doesn't need to.